Hello, welcome to the new video. So this video is going to be about fitting for the exhaust. Um this is ER5-2T round tap to the rectangular main, and this kind of fitting is, easy to make, but with, it's very hard to do the calculations inside Revit for the pressure drop calculations for on the inlet side as well as on the branch side, because if this condition is not fulfilled of the area of area of branch to the area of inlet ratio is, if it's not 0.5, we don't get the calculations inside Revit. So but the thing is that if we put any kind of area in this software, let's say, we have, let's say, these variables, and we calculate, we always get some sort of calculations. And in this case, this area for the branch is not the half of the inlet, but still this does the calculation. But in Revit, it doesn't do the calculation. But what I have done is that I have made this family just like this. So I've just included the arrow so that it does indicate me that which side is going to be the inlet side. So I'm just going to drag it and match with this. So my duct size is 500 by 400, and this is my inlet. So once I know which side is inlet, I can switch this off, and this is going to be the outlet, and my uh, my branch is going to be, I can put my branch to be, let's say, 150. All right, so it seems just all right. Now it's connected. It's connected fine. uh, yes, it's connected. So now what I have to do is that I have to get some airflow inside this duct. So I have air terminals, just like dummy air terminals for the exhaust. So if you see here, this is exhaust. Let's say I put some flow rate inside 800, and now the duct has 800 liters per second. And also I have a dummy kind of air terminal I'm going to put on this side. So this is round A terminal, and let's say I put some kind of flow rate, let's say 300 here. So this duct has 300 liters per second, and now this is supposed to have 1100 complete. So let's do this in here. Let me just switch to the, all right. So here we have 500 by 400. So 400 by 500, and the dia is this fine, and my inlet is 800, and my branch is 300. If I calculate, so I have these values. So this software, this does the calculation in all the cases, but not the Revit. So I had to modify the family so that it does the calculation and brings for me all of these values for the flow rates as well as the pressure drops from the loss coefficient values. So my loss coefficient for the branch is minus 0.28, so which is here 0.29, and this is just a rounded off value. All right, and my loss coefficient for the main is 0.66, and here also my main is 0.66. It's just rounded off. Here it is just rounded off. And likewise I have the pressure drop values calculated here. So pressure drop on the inlet side is 6.5 pascals, which is here 6 pascals, and I have my pressure drop on the branch side minus 51 pascals, and here it's minus 50 pascals, which is correct. And I can also get these in my pressure loss reports if I want to. They can be displayed here. The only thing is that this because this is customized calculation within the family, what I have to do is that I just have to say loss method setting not defined, and then you won't see, and you will always see the system inspector. And in this case the more pressure drop is on the inlet side. All right, so that's why the index circuit is shown in the inlet, towards the inlet side. And if I go and see the this mechanical exhaust here 13, so I can go to analyze, and I can go to duct pressure loss report. I can select none, and then I go to 13, hit OK, generate, and then save. Let's say ER5, save. All right, so it's showing me all of these pressure calculations because all the calculations have been done inside the family. And also I see the total system pressure. If I choose system inspector, it's showing me the total static pressure, which is like 8 pascals. So that's this I can change the duct sizes on all the sides. Okay, or I can change the airflow values. Let's say I make it as 500, and here let's say I make 250. So if I go here, so let's say 500 and 250. Now I calculate. Now it's giving me branch pressure loss of 66 and main pressure loss of 4 pascals. So here my branch pressure loss is 68 and the inlet is 4 pascals. And let's see the loss coefficient values. So my loss coefficient is 0.55 on the branch side, and here is my loss coefficient 0.55 on the branch side, and my loss coefficient on the inlet side 0.95, and which is 0.95. And with these loss coefficients is calculating the pressure drop values here. And yeah, that works fine. And in this case, if you inspect, of course it will be from the branch, because the branch pressure drop is more than the inlet, and my total static pressure is 77 pascals. All right, hope you liked the video. You can find this fitting in the description if you need to download. Thanks, have a nice time.